Hello everyone, we are Team Obagi Section 8. Today we are going to present the Obagi customer retention analysis and share insights to improve loyalty. Here are what we will cover today. First, we'll introduce our team. Then we'll talk about the project context and objective, followed by a data overview. After that, we will share some visualization and wrap up with the key insights and next steps. Here is our team member. We have Edward, Yuna, Sherry, Brendan, and Sanya. Let's dive into our project.
Our project with Obagi centers around the fact that for Obagi, opening a new account costs more than retaining an existing account, which leads to too many new accounts that churn within the first 6 to 12 months. Given this context, Obagi would like us to find out what factors influence accounts to either churn or remain sticky. This is in reference to Obagi's terminology. Related to that, Obagi would like to know what products keep customers ordering from them, as well as what kinds of targeted product packages they can offer to specific customers as they open a new account and will result in long-lasting relationships. This project's objective results in answering the key questions and providing insights on customer churn and product specialization. We'll present an interactive Tableau dashboard to facilitate our analysis. In our analysis of data overview, we will be able to use the available data to categorize it, consisting of customer purchase behavior and their interest in product preference. A result of this, a summary of key statistics which highlights how there will be an impact of sales over a 3-year time period. Using these key variables, this will give us insights in understanding net sales and quantity amounts.
Well, this chart shows the medical skincare market growth of the US and Obagi. The blue line here represents the US market, and the red line represents Obagi. Since Obagi didn't merge with the company until 2022, we can only find the open financial data after that. So what drove Obagi's big jump in 2024? We believe it's the new formula and refreshed packaging, which really helped boost brand momentum. And here, this pie chart breaks down our customers based on their purchasing behavior. The biggest group here, stable customers, are those who consistently buy from us and have strong brand loyalty. The returning customers are those who left at some point but decided to come back. All next, permanent detectors are completely stopped purchasing and are unlikely to return. The last one is immediate defectors are those who bought once and never returned. Overall, this breakdown shows that while most top customers are loyal to the brand, we're still losing a good number. That's why we need strong retention strategies to cut down on the customer losses and turn more returning buyers into loyal ones.
In this slide, we look at the average order value by customer type. For each customer type, we derived the average order value by dividing their net sales by the number of orders they made. In the visualization, we see that most of the large Obagi accounts on average place higher value orders, with most of them exceeding $1,000 in value. In contrast, the smaller accounts place orders of remarkably lower value, all lower than $500 on average. The top 3 customer types which had the highest average order value were pharmacies, dermatologists, and OBGYNs. This bar chart compares the total quantity of products ordered across various categories, distinguishing between non-prescription items in purple bars and prescription-required items in yellow bars. Among all categories, retinoids have the highest volume, with a significant portion being prescription-based. Meanwhile, cleansers, moisturizers, and vitamin C products are top sellers, but mostly non-RX, reflecting their broad accessibility. While most categories primarily consist of non-RX products, serum and system categories feature a notable share of prescription-required products, underscoring the importance of specialized medical-grade treatments.
This slide shows a map of the sales volumes of Obagi's products by US state from 2022 to 2024. In general, sales are concentrated on the East Coast. The states with the strongest sales volumes include California, Florida, Georgia, New Jersey, and North Carolina. California showcases the highest sales with over 600,000 products sold. Now we've moved on to our insights and next steps. Our first main insight is that Obagi's sales saw remarkable growth in spite of the overall market decline in the US. Second, While Obagi is recognized as a doctor-recommended medical-grade brand, many Obagi products are purchased without the need for a prescription. Lastly, we found that Obagi sales are heavily concentrated along the East Coast. However, California remains the top state in terms of sales. For our next steps, we first plan to examine the provided dataset in greater detail to uncover key factors behind customer churn. After that, we hope to identify the product categories and lines that drive repeat orders. To answer the last key project question, we will develop specialized packages to attract and retain specific customer segments. With the completion of those steps, we will have addressed all of the key project questions. Thank you for tuning in to our data visualization presentation. We look forward to presenting the rest of our work next quarter.